So you may be wondering, what is an ETF? If so, this is the perfect video for you. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. ETFs are bought and sold like shares on a stock exchange, but they are not businesses. ETFs are investment funds that can invest in different assets such as stocks and bonds, which is handy because it lets you diversify. They also allow you to invest in different sectors of the market. The most popular and well-known ETF is SPY, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. This ETF holds all of the top 500 stocks in America based on market capitalization, also known as market cap. ETF share prices fluctuate all day as the ETF is bought and sold. This is different from mutual funds that only trade once a day after the market closes. ETFs are considered to be low-risk investments because they are low-cost and hold a basket of stocks or other securities, increasing diversification. Risks can still pop up when it comes to the taxation side of things, but overall ETFs are a safe and good investment. ETFs also offer low expense ratios and fewer broker commissions than buying stocks individually, which can be handy in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and now understand how an ETF works. Please feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and support will be very much appreciated. Thanks for watching.